My name is Ava. Today we're gonna make Play-Doh. You need flour, salt, and water. And you need Kraft tartar and vegetable oil and food coloring. Now let's get started.
Yep, first you dump in.
The salt. You dump in the flour. Next is the water. You add cream of tartar. Last ingredients is oil. So now you mix it and put it over